video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan pa rin natin itong tungkol sa DepEd PBB 2023 sa release. Update po yan ngayong araw, November 24, 2025. Ayan, upon checking nga po sa DBM, nakakita po tayo dito ng tatlong mga bagong SDO na mayroon na pong SARO para po ito sa kanilang PBB 2023. Ayan, so unahin po natin itong Merida Vocational School, ayan, Leyte Agro-Industrial School, Hilongos National Vocational School, Dulag National High School, Dr. Jeronimo B. Saldivar Memorial School of Fisheries, Carigara National High School, Buruwen Comprehensive National High School, Batu School of Fisheries, ayan, and of course, ang Division of Leyte. Ayan, so hindi po tayo nagkakamali, yung mga binanggit natin kanina, ito po ay from the Division of Leyte. Ito po yung mga secondary schools. Ito naman po mismo yung sa Division of Leyte. Ayan, I think ito ay para naman sa mga elementary, ayan, and secondary schools din. So nakalagay po dito, to cover the fiscal year 2023, performance-based bonus of 16,582, eligible teaching civilian personnel of DepEd Division of Leyte, ayan, per annexes A, elementary, and B, secondary. Ayan, so medyo marami-rami po ito mga kamaestro, no? 16,582. Ayan, so congratulations po sa mga kamaestro natin dyan sa SDO Leyte. Next po ay, ito, I think from Ormoc City naman ito. Nakalagay dyan yung New Ormoc City National High School. And next po ay ang Ipil National High School. Ayan, so ito po yung for the Division of Ormoc City. Nakalagay dyan, to cover the funding requirements for the payment of fiscal year 2023, performance-based bonus of 1,969 qualified officials and employees classified as civilian personnel of DepEd Division of Ormoc as listed in Schedule 1. Ayan, yan po yung para naman sa Division of Ormoc City. Next naman, I think ito'y para naman sa mga taga-Tacloban. Una po, ang Tacloban National Agricultural School. Next po ay ang Tacloban City National High School. Next is Tacloban National High School. Next po is San Jose National High School. Next is Sagkahan National High School. Next naman po ay ang Maras-Baras National High School. We also have Leyte National High School. And ito pong Cirilo Roy Montejo National High School. Ayan, so lahat po ito I think is from Tacloban City. And ito po mismo yung for the Division of Tacloban City. Nakalagay dyan, to cover the funding requirements for the payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus of 1,479 qualified employees classified as civilian personnel of the Department of Education Division of Tacloban City. Ayan, so congratulations po sa mga kamaestro natin dyan sa Tacloban City. Ayan, so muli po, ang mga SARO po na narelisan ngayong araw ay ang Division of Tacloban City, ang Division of Ormoc City, and of course, ang Division of Leyte. So, mayroon po tayong tatlo, mga kamaestro, tatlong mga bagong SDO na mayroon pong PBB SARO ngayong araw, November 24, 2025. Alright, so dito ko natatapos itong ating video ngayon mga kamaestro. Kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na na-upload natin. Katulad ito, yung mga updates pa rin patungkol dito sa ating PBB 2023 and other benefits sa mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!